Thank you for joining our Handshake tutorial on completing your account. A strong profile makes a huge difference. Students and graduates with complete profiles are contacted by recruiters 5 times more often. When you leave parts of your profile blank, you're missing the chance for employers to find you. To get the most out of your Handshake account, you will want to aim for a profile that is at least 70% complete, but ideally 80% or higher. So how do you go about updating your profile and account? Let's walk through it. Once you log into Handshake, click on the circle icon in the upper right-hand corner. This opens 4 key sections that directly impact your profile completion. My profile, my documents, my career interests, and settings. Each section helps you build a stronger, more discoverable profile. My profile is where you showcase who you are. You can add a short bio as well as your current location, work experience, education, relevant projects, skills, and courses, among other things. You also have an opportunity to upload a professional photo to help employers put a face to a name in the top. Within My Documents, you're able to upload key job search materials like your resume. Before uploading, make sure your resume is updated and properly formatted. We recommend using Hiration, our AI-powered resume builder, to create a polished draft. You can then find a step-by-step tutorial on how to use Hiration on our YouTube channels to get this done. The next tab of interest is My Career Interest, which helps Handshake tailor your experience quite literally by answering targeted questions in order to get personalized recommendations for jobs, events, and articles that align with your goals. The more questions that you answer, the more personalized in terms of the recommendations you will receive. Lastly, be sure that you check out your settings. You want to make sure that your account information is complete, and then you want to ensure that your privacy settings are at the minimum employers, and then for maximum visibility, including to students and alumni, you have the opportunity to choose the community setting. We hope that you take the few minutes today to complete your Handshake account and profile. It could be the key to unlocking your future.